Hey, it's Clay at ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about a minute, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm looking to potentially buy. In fact, let me get that order in play. So buy. So I'm looking to buy at 170. So I'm watching this number over here. I want to see that drop down to 170. And then for this white line here to turn green. White means I'm trying to buy. If that turns green, that means I have been able to buy. And it's actually going in the opposite direction right now. So getting further away from allowing me to buy. Yep, so I'll just cancel. I'm doing options here. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how they work, and give you a good solid foundation. I know sometimes people are intimidated by them and they, don't even give it a try because I've heard things. And yeah, they can be made complicated, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident you can get value in that guide. So like I said, just comment below option guide. And deciding if I want to try to get a call here at 165. Throw an order out quick, see if I can get it. Nope, did not fill me. Okay, I will pause and I'll keep an eye on things. I'm going to try for a put here at 170. Got that at 170. Out for 500 on that one. So a nice start to the day here. And let's see what else I can find. I will pause. Have an order at 170 here. Do not like how I'm just sitting on the bid with no fill. I'm going to go to 160 instead. I'm at 160. Looking for a put. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. See if it's looking like I'm going to get filled or not. I'm going to try at 175 here. Nope, refusing to fill me. I thought that would be a quick fill. And the fact that it was not had me nervous. Okay, I will pause. I'm going to try for a put here at 155. No, not filling me. I might try again. I want to see how this 2-minute chart closes first though. All right, I will pause. I'm going to try for a put here at 215. Nope, just sitting there and still didn't fill me. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 160 here for a put. Again, not filling me. Maybe 158. All right, I'll pause. I'm going to try again here at 160. Nope, not filling me. About 159. Still nothing. Throw something out there at 150. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try again. Whoops. If I could type in the right number there, 160. Let's try. Nope. 157. Nope. maybe this is my cue to just call it a day. Is 160 crazy? I'll throw it out there for a second. Nope. All right, I'm going to pause. We're going to try one here at 162, see if that makes a difference. And I am in at 162. Goodness. Just sitting there on the offer out for 50 bucks. Definitely done for the day on that one. Wow, was that ridiculous. That was, yeah, that was ridiculous. Well, I do like this move though, but I don't know. And I'm up 550. I don't know what my problem is. Why? I like to, my goal is just $500. You know, just broadly speaking, with a broad speaking of, you know, philosophy of $500 a day keeps the day job away. So I'm over 500, but that was just crazy. All right, I'll pause. I have an order at 167 here. Was close for a second, but didn't fill me. I'll pause. All right, well, that's all I have on the day, so I'm just going to call it good. It's almost market close here. I've been here in a wave throughout the course of the day, so by no means have I been sitting here for, you know, 8 straight hours or anything like that. But overall, still a fine day. Wanted more, and even though I hit, you know, got over 500, still wanted more on it, and maybe that makes me a greedy savage. I'm not quite sure. I guess let me know in the comment section, am I being a greedy savage? But I'll take it, because at the end of the day, $500 a day keeps the day job away. I'm up over 500, so all things considered, can't really complain. Again, if you want to learn more about options, comment down below option guide, and I will link you to that free class I put together. So thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.